The true inspiration is that I want to make a difference in this world. And I think we all have ways of contributing the gifts that we've been given. And in my case, I feel by creating an atmosphere, a space, a living space for people that nurtures them and excites them is my way of making a contribution.
The sort of properties that I'm involved in today, which are investment properties, they are really positioned to be a complete solution for somebody. What I was impressed with was the level of detail that Linda would go to. She has this ability to very quickly, in quite an eclectic way, put things together that looks like it was always planned to be that way.
Recently, I had two very young guys in their 20s, very successful, who had bought their third high-rise apartment. Here are these two very busy guys who basically said, okay, we're going to leave for 3 weeks. We'll see you when we get back. They said, we want something minimalist. We want platform beds. We want metal art. We want everything in black and gray with red as the punch color. They left for 3 weeks. When they came back, everything was finished. I just recently did a country western unit where I used leather sofas with hide ottomans and a lot of wonderful rusty looking old metal lamps and a shuffleboard table behind the sofa in the middle of the living room. I was thinking, who will the audience for this be? Probably somebody who's either interested in the Western world, somebody who is fun-loving, probably more beer drinking than champagne. I wanted to create a place that such a person would go, yeah, I'm home. I want to create that kind of a space so that it nurtures all of the good feelings that you have, romantically, spiritually, anything and everything that makes you feel good and want to be there.